बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है रिएक्शन ऑफ अल्केन्स। अल्केन्स यू ऑल नो डैट सैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन्स होते हैं। इनके फर्स्ट रिएक्शंस में कंबस्टन रिएक्शन है। कंबस्टन मीन बर्निंग, बर्निंग यानी कि जलना। बर्निंग ऑफ एन अल्केन्स इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन इज़ कॉल्ड कंबस्टन। एज़ यू ऑल नो डैट बर्निंग के प्रोसेस के लिए किस चीज़ की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है? ऑक्सीजन की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है। सो बर्निंग, अगर हम सपोज करें आपके पास कोई अल्केन्स है, फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर हैविंग मीथेन, तो अगर हम इसकी बर्निंग करते हैं इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन गैस, या जी स्मॉल स्टैंड्स फॉर गैसियस स्टेट, मीथेन इन गैसियस फॉर्म when burn in the presence of oxygen, and we need for the burning process ignition. Some initial spark is required. Okay, high initial spark is required, which we can get by the burning of the matchstick and so on. When we burn the hydrocarbons in the presence of oxygen, then we get the products carbon dioxide, which is in the gaseous form, water in the gaseous form means water vapors, and 891 kilojoule per mole energy is released in this process. Actually, during the burning process, we know that heat is produced. That heat is in the form of that heat is called heat of combustion. Okay, and that amount of heat for 1 mole of, burning of 1 mole of methane is 891 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so this is also known as enthalpy of combustion. 891 kilojoule per mole is also known as delta H, which is said as enthalpy of combustion. Okay, now in the combustion process, as we know, that is an exothermic process. So a particular amount of heat is evolved during this reaction, and that amount of heat is called as heat of combustion. For 1 mole burning of methane, we get 891 kilojoule per mole of energy, okay, in the form of heat. Now next process is oxidation. That is the reaction of alkanes. As alkanes are least reactive compounds of hydrocarbon, so they give only oxidation reaction. The two types of oxidation reactions are involved: incomplete oxidation and catalytic oxidation. In the process of incomplete oxidation means limited supply of oxygen. As you all know that when there is limited supply of oxygen means if you are not supplying oxygen in a good quantity for the burning process, then what happens? Burning process does not complete, and we do not get carbon dioxide. Instead, we get carbon monoxide, which is a toxic gas, along with carbon black. Okay, we get carbon black. This carbon black is used in rubber industries as well as other uses in industries, and carbon monoxide that creates suffocation, that makes carboxyhemoglobin when we inhale such gas during incomplete combustion of fuels like methane, alkanes, etc. Okay, so incomplete oxidation के रिजल्ट में हमारे पास क्या है? इनकम्प्लीट ऑक्सीडेशन में कंप्लीट जब कंबस्टन नहीं होती तो हमारे पास कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, वाटर वेपर्स और उसके साथ साथ सॉलिड कार्बन ब्लैक बनता है. वो जो ब्लैक स्मोक हमें नज़र आता है, दैट इज़ ड्यू टू इनकम्प्लीट कंबस्टन ऑफ द हाइड्रोकार्बन्स और alkanes. Okay, now catalytic oxidation. Catalytic oxidation means, as the name indicated, that the oxidation which is done in the presence of a catalyst. Now a catalyst we use is copper heated tube, which is whose temperature is maintained at 400 degrees Celsius at 200 atmospheric pressure. This process is very useful because when we oxidize methane, okay, suppose we are having an alkane methane, when it is oxidized we get methanol. Now what happens? Now you can see that the molecule of oxygen has entered into the methane molecule. How? If you write methane like this, okay, now this O is entered over here and we get methanol. This is methanol, or you can say methyl alcohol. ओके, मिथाइल अल्कोहल एक बहुत यूज़फुल प्रोडक्ट है. ठीक है, अब मिथाइल अल्कोहल जब फर्दर ऑक्सीडाइज होता है इन द सेम कैटालिस्ट, इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सेम कैटालिस्ट एंड सेम कंडीशन, अंडर द सेम कंडीशन, दैट नाउ व्हाट हैपन्स? दिस ऑक्सीजन मॉलिक्यूल, ओके, नाउ this will remove one hydrogen atom. Okay, it will remove one hydrogen atom from this alcohol. What happens? The formula of alcohol is this one. When we oxidize this alcohol, we will get an aldehyde whose name is formaldehyde. Okay, now we get formaldehyde. Now formaldehyde, this is the formula, or the structural formula of formaldehyde is like this. Okay, now you will see that we have two hydrogens instead of 3 and 1 4. So in the next process, as we know that oxidation is the addition of oxygen or the removal of hydrogen. In the first step, oxygen is added, means here oxygen is added in the molecule or in the reaction. In the next step, hydrogen is removed. If you learn these reactions in such steps, then you will never forget the reactions in future. Okay, methane, when it oxidizes, we will get methanol. Now methanol is oxidized and we will get aldehyde, which is formed aldehyde. Now in the first step, oxygen is added in the molecule. In the second step, hydrogen is removed. Now in the third step, again if we oxidize form aldehyde, then oxygen will enter in the molecule and again there is an addition of oxygen. Okay, oxygen is added in the reaction, and when oxygen is added in this form aldehyde, which is having such formula, now this oxygen will enter over here and we will get a carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid is also very important, that is formic acid, and its structural formula is like this one. Okay, now formic acid further oxidize under the same conditions of temperature, pressure and catalyst and will yield carbon dioxide and water. So in case of catalytic oxidation, this is very important industrial process because we get higher fatty acids. Like we have here formic acid, it depends on our starting material, starting alkane. The alkane which we will use will give the formic acid, formaldehyde, or will give the acids, aldehydes and alcohols according to the alkyl chain of hydrocarbons. So this process is important in industrially. Higher fatty acids are used in soap and vegetable oil industries. Okay, so we can produce vegetable oil and soap from the production of fatty acids, and fatty acids are used for the production of soaps and vegetable oils. So we will use them. We can produce them by using such reaction. This is all about catalytic oxidation.